Hey everyone, I am Sudeep. In the last video, we learned about comparison operators. In this video, we will learn about $any, which is not equal to operator. $any is a query operator used to filter the documents where the specified field's value is not equal to the given value. It excludes the document that matches the specified value. Suppose if you want to write the query, fetch the student's record where the age is not equal to 22. Let's write the query db.students.find. Let's pass the condition. The condition will be the field name and the object. Inside that NE value is 22 and close this condition. Also pass the projection for student name and age. As 1, age also 1, and exclude underscore ID. In the result, observe the age field value. It has written all the students' record whose age is not equal to 22. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.